Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chevrolet Equinox versus Blazer EV full comparison. Follow along as I break down performance, range, charging, cargo space, and pricing with simple examples. Listen for practical advice on daily driving, family trips, and long highway runs. I'll point out where each model shines and where compromises show, so you can quickly match features to your budget and priorities before choosing. In this section, I'll explain acceleration, handling, and estimated range, so you can compare driving feel and daily usability between models. Expect the Blazer EV to impress off the line with instant torque, while the Equinox provides steady, familiar performance and easier servicing. We'll cover realistic range numbers, typical charging behavior for EVs, and how weather or towing affects outcomes, so you know what to expect in everyday use. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and future comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that won't spill during stops or bumpy commutes, and they're great for keeping snacks organized in either vehicle. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll walk through interior comfort, cargo capacity, and practical features that matter during daily life and road trips. The Blazer EV highlights tech-forward touches and digital interfaces, while the Equinox prioritizes simple controls and comfortable seating for longer drives. I'll compare rear seat room, cargo flexibility, and charging storage needs so you can weigh family use, grocery runs, and weekend gear against each model's design strengths and compromises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.